Banerjee, club member, Keshtapur Proper Lokanand Koshim Modivashi Kendra. Our club is situated North Kolkata. As we enter the pantry, you can see here a woman she's trying to defeat corona with her various hands like medical staff, nurse, doctors, social workers, police with them. Now, as we enter the pantry, we can see here structures of migrant laborers. Our theme for this year is Adhar Theke Alor Sondhane, which means darkness to light. As we enter, we have safety protocols like no marks, no entry, and safety awareness as stay protected. Now, as we enter, we have here a sanitizer installed here, as everyone has to enter putting sanitizer on their hand. Now we enter our pandal. This is a rail gate. As the rail gate comes up, we enter. Our theme is totally based on migrant workers. On my right, we have installation of a truck. And people coming out of the truck, they travel from one different state to another. We have here a woman carrying her child in a suitcase, which was a big viral, and at the back we have a lady who she rode her father 1300 kilometers on a bicycle just to bring back her from another state. And we have people here sleeping on the rail tracks. People walking on the rail tracks. Now we have a train which is moving to and fro, and there are people walking on the rail track. Now as we come to a different installation, people in Purulia in state West Bengal, when they found they had COVID-19, their family abandoned them, and they have done their home in a house tree. As we can see here, we have a cement truck here, which also became very viral when from one state they were carrying people on that cement truck, and police caught them, and every people were taken out. As we enter, and we also have our safety protocol, like we have the fire extinguishers, we have sand buckets. Everywhere we have installed our safety protocol. Now we move to our next part. This is also an installation of an old coal engine, as we have real signals which in a train track exists. We have here a hospital where doctors in PPE kits is treating a corona patient, a migrant worker, as you can see here. And here we have Sonu Sood, a a famous Bollywood actor who helped millions of migrant workers, students go back to reach their home. He arranged transportation for them to reach back to their home to different states. These are people standing in queue to enter the bus which Sonu Sood has arranged for them. We have a tree here full of hands worshipping and praying for Sonu Sood's healthy life. Now we come to a temple, our goddess Durga's temple. This is our goddess Durga. This is the inside structure. It's totally made of wood and bamboos. We have a fire extinguisher installed here too. And we have models here. Praying to Goddess Durga. During this lockdown period, the 6 months, we have done a lot of social works which we have put up in a banner. As you can see, I'll show you. We had done COVID-19 treatment for the local people. We had health checkup camps. We provided food for street dogs during the lockdown period. We have relief distribution in the lockdown. Sanitization of the locality. Distribution of sanitization kit to the police. Media coverage of our awareness program in various media houses. An oxygen cylinder provided for the COVID patients. We also have medical unit in our pandal premises. We have oxygen cylinder, a wheelchair for the disabled. We have masks. We have a total medical kit. We have crutches for the disabled, for the old age.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
এই বৃষ্টিতে আমাদের এই গ্রামে কে আনবে তোর পাসপোর্ট?
আরে আসবে আসবে, আমার ভরসা আছে পোস্টম্যানের ওপর। ওই যে আসছে।
নমস্কার, পোস্ট অফিস থেকে আসছি। এই যে আপনার স্পিড পোস্ট।
আমার ভরসা স্পিড পোস্ট।
স্পিড পোস্ট পৌঁছে যায় ভারতের সব কোণায়। স্পিড পোস্ট ভারতীয় ডাক বিভাগের একটি পরিষেবা।
শহর করোনা সহ যে কোনো রোগীর চিকিৎসায় 24 ঘন্টা খোলা রয়েছে আনন্দলোক হাসপাতাল। ঠিকানা DK 7/3 3rd অ্যাভিনিউ রোড, সেক্টর 2, বিধাননগর, সল্টলেক, কলকাতা। করুণাময়ীর নিকটে অবস্থিত। যোগাযোগ 8335055437 ও 9064959886।
আমাদের হাসপাতালে হার্টের অসুখের সর্বোত্তম ব্যবস্থা রয়েছে। এখানে হার্ট বাইপাস সার্জারির খরচ মাত্র 85,000 টাকা। এছাড়া এখানে চোখের ছানি ও অন্যান্য অপারেশন, গল ব্লাডার স্টোন, হার্নিয়া, প্রোস্টেট, কিডনি স্টোন, এনজিওগ্রাম, এনজিওপ্লাস্টি, পেসমেকার আপনার সাধ্যের মধ্যে কম খরচে করা হয়। ফোন করুন 9433201242, 8335055437, 8335057771 নম্বরে।
কংক্রিটের এই জঙ্গলে ফিরে আসুক সবুজ ঝড়। বন্ধ করে প্লাস্টিক, পরিবেশ হোক পরিষ্কার। গুটখা বা সিগারেট নিষিদ্ধ, মারণ সেন্সেশন। রূপশ্রীতেও পাশে আছে আসানসোল মিউনিসিপাল কর্পোরেশন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।